What is up, guys? So today we are going to go to the lake and we're gonna go canoeing, and after that we're gonna do a picnic and get In-N-Out burgers for the first time. So yeah, let's get to it. So we are going to go to the lake and we're gonna go canoeing, so this will be fun. Say hi.
My bag's so heavy. Why did you put your stuff?
Started running after the
Yeah, and then he jumped into the water and I thought I lost him.
You jumped into the water? Okay, so we are on the paddle boat. Hello, Nihoma.
Yuma.
Say hi, whatever. So,
What is this for? Snap?
no, YouTube. We're going backwards. Time to go forwards. I think going backwards was much easier.
It was, right? Why is that? That's weird. Oh, maybe the current? Maybe that's why.
Oh, the freaking current.
Because so the waves look like they're moving this way.
And she and Isabel is pedaling.
That's right, I am.
Don't drop my phone, please. So we just got back from the picnic and I played Cards Against Humanity for the first time. I love it.
And if you're under 13, do not play the game.
She played the game and she's 11.
They also
Don't-
do a vanilla shake.
And now we're getting In-N-Out.
Man.
I'm gonna show you the burger in a second. I have the In-N-Out burgers and Nihoma has the milkshake. Show them the milkshake. Chocolate milkshake, really good. And we're heading back to the apartment right now. Yeah. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my main channel, which will also be linked down below. Thank you. Bye.